Last week I shared a video on the ideal location for a holiday let. In that video I said if you're not in the perfect location, it's not the end of the world. The reason for that is there's a formula to running a really good quality, profitable, successful holiday let. Essentially, this formula has lots of different criteria in it, and you can simplify it by saying it's a box ticking system. Now, you don't need to tick every single box, neither would you want to. But there's certain ones you've got to either tick or put together to work in conjunction with each other to create the ideal scenario. So, I'm currently at Otterhead House, and great property, really stunning. We are fortunate enough to be in the Blackdown Hills in an area of outstanding natural beauty next to a nature reserve. Location box, ticked. Big tick. Because we've got a big tick there, there's certain other things that we don't have to worry about so much. So, would I like to have a 10 metre by 5 metre indoor pool with full spa facilities in the garden? Yes, I would. Would this get more bookings? Yes, it would. Does it make sense to put it there, taking into consideration the cost of it and everything else? No, it doesn't. There's other things we can do instead that will give a really good customer experience without spending that much money. If we were in a lesser location, would it be worth doing? Absolutely. Yes, it would. So, some of the best holiday lets I've seen, and I get to see quite a few, in fact, the two most profitable ones I know of are not in the best location. In fact, I went to them and you got to go through lanes for about half an hour, and it's really tight little lanes in the car. I'm used to driving like that, and I thought, this is a bit much. If you're from London and you're not used to that, you'd be a little bit overwhelmed to say the least. But once you get there, it's a destination within itself. They've got so many of the different boxes ticked that actually they fulfill the holiday criteria without having to worry about location. So if you want more information on all these different bits and pieces, then head over to the website, sign up to the newsletter, and you'll be first to know about the courses we've got coming out on all this and lots of other different areas of holiday lets. See you next week. Bye.